Hello all, welcome back to another video from my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to introduce you another career returnship program called as the Tata SCIP Second Careers Inspiring Possibilities. This is a internship or a career returnship program for women who are willing to come back to the career after a career break or a sabbatical, and this is provided by the Tata Group of companies. So you have to go to Google, type www.tatasecondcareer.com, or just go to tata.com and take the career page. There also you can see the details of Tata SCIP. So just click on the link, and this is the web page of the whole program. And see, this is for women who had a work experience of continuous 2 years, and after that if you are taking a career break for a sabbatical or for maternity leave or anything, then after a break, if you're coming back to the career, this program is best suited for you. And SCIP is providing you returnship in various industries, and the best thing about this program is the schedule. You can do the returnship at your own pace. The flexibility of this program is the most important point. Okay, so we'll check about what is this program about and how you can apply and what are the opportunities waiting for you and everything. Tata SCIP is a platform that enables women who have taken a career break to return to the corporate world on their terms. It provides like a lot of career options, and they can work from home options are also there, or if you want to come to the company and work, that is also possible. You can work when you want, where you want, and the project you want, and the pace you want. That's the highlight of this program. Okay, and as I said, the work schedules are very flexible, and you will get a lot of skill development trainings for your smooth reintegration into the industry. You will be able to work on full-time project, part-time project, consultant roles, and you will be able to find out opportunities pan India, and you will get the pride of working with a company like Tata. Also, you'll be getting opportunity to work across multiple domain specialization. You can work on different projects in consultant roles, or find out full-time jobs or part-time opportunities for you, and all the current opportunities will be listed out in this section. And if you have any vacancy suitable for you, you can apply for that. And now we will check how the SCIP program is working. So the concept behind this returnship program is to make the coming back to the career easy for women. Okay, so most of the women will be taking a career break for maternity or any other responsibility that they have to like handle on. So the returnship program should be in such a way that they can balance both their responsibilities and their work. So the SIP program is specially designed to meet these requirements. That is why it is providing so much of flexibility. Even the pace of work, the job location, you can work from home, you can do part time, you can do full time, it's all up to you. And this program is having a twofold philosophy. One is to bring back the capable, committed, ambitious women back to the workforce, and also providing a good environment for the women returnees so that the work life balance will be well maintained. And there is an SCIP e booklet. You can download it, and it has all the details of the SCIP program and everything. And now we will check who can apply for this particular program. There are two requirements for applying to the career returnship program. One is that a minimum continuous work experience of 2 years is required before you leave the job. Before you quit the job, you should have a minimum work experience of 2 years, that too continuously. Okay, then at the time of application for this particular program, you should be on a career break. So these are the two parameters that is required for applying to this particular program. Okay, now, for applying, you have to go to the apply section and do the registration, and then apply to the current openings. So, for registering, just click on this link, and this page will open up. You have to sign up using your first name, last name, and email ID, then password, give your PAN number and date of birth, and just click on submit. And then there will be a email coming to your email address. You have to click on that to get it activated, and then sign in or log in using that email ID and password, and then you can apply to the various positions which is already available with SCIP, like in any Tata group of companies, based on the field where you want to work. and the various domains in which you will be able to find out job opportunities in marketing, advertising, communication, finance and accounting, sales, engineering, manufacture, design, human resource management, CSR, retail, hospitality, legal sector, IT. In all these sectors, you will be able to find out the job opportunities, and the SIP is having internship programs related to all these industries. And the SEIP offers programs in three different formats. One is it has projects in which you can work with, and the duration of those projects are 3 to 6 months. And it is actually depending upon the nature of the project you will be paid. Okay, then consultant roles, the duration is 6 to 12 months, and that is also like depending on the role and the experience and the duration to which you are working, you will be paid for that. And then full-time job, it's a regular employment, full working hours only, and that is like a fixed permanent job. Okay, and also in the website you can see lot of testimonials of various people who have attended this second returnship program and gained the opportunities and got into the professional life. So that's about the SCIP career internship program. Just visit the website and just grab the opportunity that is best suitable for you and start your career again. So all the best for all the women career returnees, and I will come up with another video which is useful for you. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.